Jangan lupa untuk like, share, dan subscribe video ini agar kalian bisa mendapatkan manfaat yang lebih banyak lagi ke depannya dari channel ini. How do we renew our future? Let me bring you to step out from the current environmental global issues. Nowadays, we are facing global warming everywhere. Our world is now striving to hold the impact of global warming. As you can see, that climate changes violently and disaster happens everywhere. There are just some pieces of the issues that's happening in 2021. We have to ask why all these things happen. If we ask why global warming happened, it's because there's a greenhouse effect. Let's dig deeper on why there's a greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide and air pollutants from the atmosphere collects and absorb the solar radiation and sunlight that has been bounced off from the earth. Then, let's dig deeper on why there's carbon dioxide and air pollution. We will find out that it was caused by gas emission from vehicles and factory machines, especially air conditioner in our homes. Don't stop right there. Let's dig to the root cause on why vehicles and factory machines produce carbon gas emissions. It's caused by burning fossil fuel, and burning fossil fuel is non-renewable resources. So, let's change the way we live by addressing appropriately the root cause. Instead of using fossil fuels, let's use the solar energy sources that could minimize the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. The world needs a change of energy that could be used forever but renewable. Solar energy are to be obtained by solar panels to be converted to electrical energy. These electrical energy are non-polluting energy and they are easy and safe to control. Currently, vehicles such as electric cars with electrical power are spreading fastly to restore good environment of Earth. A very good idea to minimize the carbon emission gas. This also applied to factory machines. The machines need to be applied by solar cells, which it can convert it into electrical power for running those machines. As people in the world use solar energy for daily appliance, so as the vehicle and the machines won't produce emission gas, then carbon and air pollutant will decrease. As the effect of that, greenhouse effect will be decreased as well. Finally, our world can handle the global warming issues. Starting from now, houses should invest to energy efficient appliance and power your home with renewable resources. Your Earth, my Earth, our Earth. Let's build a better energy for a better environment. Stay amazing. God bless you. Jangan lupa untuk like, share, dan subscribe video ini agar kalian bisa mendapatkan manfaat yang lebih banyak lagi ke depannya dari channel ini.